Moshi Moshi people, welcome to the Hakuru 15 show. Why do I keep saying that? Well, whatever. So, I'm in a bit of a good mood and a bit of a bad mood. Well, let's start with the bad mood. I was doing some recording for the Cyberpunk, Night City, Wire, stream. And unfortunately, I forgot to test my mic first before recording. And so, I basically reacted to the whole entire video without my voice in it. So unfortunately my mic didn't work. So note to self, I have to make sure to test record right before I record a video. I got a little bit too cocky, so unfortunately I did not, well, I couldn't be able to upload it anyway, since my whole entire reaction was on there, and there'd be no point of me really doing a second reaction, so I had to scrap that video, unfortunately. But I have seen what there is about Cyberpunk, so again, very excited for Cyberpunk. Very excited. Good mood though. I've invested a lot of things for my YouTube channel. So I bought let's see, light lamps, like lighting equipment for the channel, but not just lighting equipment. I bought like a bunch of stuff to do like photo shoots, because I actually want to do behind the scenes and vlogging videos about what I do, in my life. And secondly, I bought a green screen stand. Yes, I have bought a green screen, and that will be coming in hopefully this week or next week. Probably assuming next week, as I bought it on Amazon. So yeah, very excited for that to come in, and yeah, pretty much. So that's gonna be awesome. So you'll see a good visual upgrade of the channel. So, oh yeah. So anyways, today we're gonna be reacting to Asian Andy. I actually forgot about Asian Andy. I forgot about the in real life streamers, because I forgot they were a thing. Apparently a bunch of old videos started popping up in my recommendations list of a bunch of people that I forgot, like Ice Poseidon, for example, and I forgot that Asian Andy was still a thing. So Asian Andy, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. But anyways, I decided to go through Asian Andy's videos, and they look pretty damn interesting, and I wanted to do a reaction to on one of them, as they look pretty goddamn entertaining, and I haven't seen any of these videos in a while, so yeah. So the newest video he uploaded was the day I almost died, camping with text-to-speech. So yeah, looks like he's been camping. Yeah. I'll also be doing another vlogging video later this weekend, so be sure to stay tuned for that, as I'll be going out with the boys. We're gonna go out ghost hunting again, so that's gonna be pretty fun. So without further ado, let's react.
Some took a picture
Hello.
a few minutes ago while your eyes were closed.
Ooh.
Post it by Reddit and let me know. Reddit.com/r Asian Andy. Let's see this shit. Got a picture of the god. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh shit. No, let me see that.
You're trolling. Oh my. No.
Oh.
Someone's here.
Oh.
Took a picture from outside.
Holy shit. That's creepy, man.
Why the fuck's my window down this entire time? Shit, bro.
Go inside the
TTS,
car.
bro. I can hear him. Wait, what?
Go inside the car.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Okay, here.
What the fuck?
Right here, baby. Let's launch a rocket right now, bro.
Baby boy, I will come down there.
Ah!
Fuck you.
Are you guys okay? Do CPR quick.
Yo, Andy, get some pussy from me,
Stay
man.
with me. Holy shit.
Man, fucking chat, dude. Holy shit.
Huh? You guys good? The first.
Is the VD CPR on us?
I have not launched this
Can
yet.
you do
I
a
don't know
sleep
how well.
stream tonight?
Yes, I'm gonna stream the entire night.
Oh.
ready?
Oh.
Hey Bucko, I am 5 minutes away from your location. I
Oh!
can't wait to meet you in camp with you.
I didn't even launch it! It
Oh
just
my
went!
god.
Soon.
Holy
Are you
shit!
really okay? Like genuinely.
Mount tent? Alright, I'll do the tent right after this. One more of these and we'll remount the tent.
He said that he has interest.
Oh, what the? No, I didn't. Just start pressing that.
Bad league.
All right, let's fucking leave that here. I'm gonna set up the tent. Get the bottle and set up the tent.
Can he set it up himself? Oh, of course. That looks pretty easy to set up, I think. That tent is fucking big. Holy shit.
All right, welcome to MTV Cribs.
Everyone can see you though.
This is badass.
How else are you gonna jerk
So
off
much room for activity. Let me
privately?
just show you my man cave. Welcome to my crib. Pretty sick. Now get the fuck out of my house. That's it. Got an air pump right here. I think it's about time we just fucking I got a boat. Let's get this boat pumped up. Let's go, baby. Let's get in there. Let's achieve greatness today, boys.
Yeah. Oh. You're going on the boat. Boat time. It's brand new too. Oh.
Thought you use it as a skateboard?
Persona music, hell yeah.
Oh my goodness. What do you say to the drunken sailor?
Alexa, what is my
No! I'm in the... No!
Yeah, look how scared he is.
Vigentillion 103 duo Vigentillion
I'm trying to-
975 Boon Vigentillion.
How do I get past the waves? Oh shit.
Oh
This
dear.
is hard. Guys, the phone might break. It might get wet in water. I can't reach I'm getting pushed to the shore, dude. I have to kick off again. The water's off. The water's got it's too much water.
Oh dear.
Oh, shit. The water splashed the actual phone, bro.
Good.
Oh shit. I got pushed back to the shore again.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh
Saltwater in
boy.
my eyes, bro. Is
Oh.
that saltwater? I don't even know. Shit. I gotta get all this water off.
This
my-
is like level 1.
Oh,
Oh
shit.
god, it got
We're
flooded.
doing it again. Let's go. I'm not
Yo,
scared.
his boat got
Oh,
flooded,
fuck.
my dude.
Fucking seas, Andy.
Get those fucking seas, Andy.
How do I get in the water? How do people do this? Okay, I'm in.
Just stop holding your phone. But either way, he does need to stream.
It's the waves are too strong, bro.
Yo, his mobile
It's
data
really
must be hella good.
Shit, the water keeps hitting. The shore is too strong.
He's still on the fucking shore.
Let's get out of here. We have to.
This
escape
reminds me of Moana.
Bunnies, 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 bunnies.
Ew, salt water.
I'm getting waterboarded, bro. Why?
His boat's already flooded, my guy. Oh, that looks extremely uncomfortable. He's all wet and everything.
Oh fuck.
This looks extremely hard.
Oh shit. Hello, can you see me? Alright,
my
I'm gonna get
fucking
some. Let's see
God.
what food they have to deliver here. I'm sure to get something.
Technically a free bath.
I smell great probably now. Let's see if there's any food places in my area. What should we eat, guys?
Get dumplings! That's all I can think about. Dumplings.
I got a bed. I got a better setup than you guys at home, to be honest. I definitely live I'm living better than most of you guys at home, let's be honest, guys. Let's get my boat, bring it back to the... Okay, what the hell? What is going on here?
What? I saw a guy.
How's it going? Oh, they're camping too, actually. Oh, it's not just
My
us.
days. That Oriental is about to get into a fisticuffs with a common man.
Let's Let's see, where's the food? Is the food coming anytime soon? Oh, hey, what's up? Thanks,
Andy,
man.
remember when I first donated to you?
Oh,
Let's make this officially
Thanks
happen.
for-
Leave and hold
yes,
your hand
so
while you
thanks-
do it.
thanks for
Hairspray bottle.
thanks a lot for breaking, man. Here, let me, I'll grab this. All right, you take this with one hand. Nice, yeah, stay safe, sir. Thanks for working.
Text from Dad. Any luck with the campground kidnapping?
Oh dear.
Let's go straight to the, delivered straight to me on the tent. That's good.
The bubble
That
tea.
is luxury, boys.
Oh, it's
I
bubble
gave him a
tea.
20. This thing costed less than $20, okay? I gave him a 20. Okay, that's good. Don't call me cheap. Okay?
Have you ever fucked your sister?
Never.
Oh my god.
Not even in my dream. Not even in my nightmares.
Andy, I know your location and I am coming to meet you.
Man, the fucking chat and the donators are so fucking weird, man.
You come out here, I'm gonna be so scared I might hurt you. You know what I'm saying? I scare easily. Like, don't even come close.
Oh. Oh. What's happening?
Andy, watch out for skinwalkers.
There's a skinwalker. I don't even want to know, actually.
You cannot escape. He follows you. He watches you while you sleep.
I'm only looking at the screen. So what I see, you guys see.
I've been following you for a while. Better watch your back.
Oh my fucking god. Watch out, Andy just
I don't want.
God, he's holding a little hatchet too. Oh, Jesus.
I hear it so much.
What the fuck is that noise?
I don't know. It's all these bugs, bro. There's like probably all these snakes and shit everywhere. You hear
Snakes.
other animals too. So I'm kind of worried.
Oh my fucking god.
Is that someone? Oh my god, is that wait. I don't want to walk that way. What time is it? I don't want to walk that way.
What's up with that fucking noise, dude?
Can you GIV my friend Dylan if shout? He's at Ram Ranch.
Oh shit, bro. They're screaming and shit.
He's shouting.
I'm crazy! I'm crazy! I'm crazy! Don't mess with me! I'm crazy! I'm crazy!
Yo, man. Fuck.
The fuck was that? What is he screaming? I gotta scream back. Ah! You know, fuck the crazy. Ah!
Real life streamers, man. They're crazy. They're local.
Let's walk this way again. I don't know this. There's like probably maniacs.
Dude, $15. That's pretty good. Shout out to you, Jason. Sound cut off. Wonder what happened there. Oh yeah, sound just cut off. Wow.
Hello, is anyone?
Sound literally just cut off. There we go.
You guys hear that?
Hello, is anyone out there? My name is Andy.
Stay still. Slowly walk.
Oh dear God.
I think I saw in herds. Did you guys see some? A Ouija board?
This reminds me of how I film my vlogs.
Fuck, man.
I feel bad about myself.
I don't like fucking with spirits, dog. I brought it just in case if I'm like dry on content.
Wait, what?
It's just,
What do you mean?
Jesus.
Is anyone out there? Hello? Please let me go. Let me go. I just want to leave. Please.
Fuck
Andy,
that shit.
there's someone behind you.
I don't know about that, man. I don't know if I want to use the Ouija board right now. It's getting kind of scary. I want you to...
What are you doing, dude? Oh, cool.
How do you like old thing?
Can we get another ounce?
No,
I
you
don't
got the
know.
Ouija board, my dude. Why? Okay, so quick story about the Ouija board. A lot of people have told me about this, and apparently they really they have experiences with the Ouija board. Now, I don't know about this. I have no experience with it, but I don't want to fuck with it because people have told me like they've had a lot of bad luck with the Ouija board. If you fuck around with a Ouija board, bad shit is gonna happen to you. That's what my friends told me. So again, I mean, this is like my friends have told me the same fucking consistent story, and all their stories are very consistent with each other. So I wouldn't want to fuck with a Ouija board, my guy. But all right.
What song you used, but here we go.
Gotta go back to the car. I'm gonna die of exhaustion. Oh my god.
Oh dear. See, this is what happens when you fuck with a Ouija board. Bad shit's gonna happen to
I
you.
dare you to play a Ouija board at 3 a.m. and the demons will haunt your ass for the rest of
That's when the
your
sleep
life.
thing's gonna happen, so I think I'm just gonna do it now.
What was that unicorn shadow behind you?
Please, dude, don't make me quit before I even start. When I start, I can't stop. I'll have to learn how to turn it off. Never leave the planchette on the Ouija board when you aren't using it. Oh, I'm getting shivers, bro. I don't know.
Just don't do it. Don't fucking
I don't
do
fuck
it.
with this stuff, man.
Be quiet and listen. Actual Summoning of Demon Mammon by Aleister Crowley.
Dude, bro. I'm sorry. I have to scam you. I don't fuck with that shit.
I know you're fearful.
Don't
but
actually
you're
play.
not alone.
Do not
We're
actually
here.
play Summonings of Spirits.
You
I'm not
have
gonna.
proven
I
before
had
you
to.
No, why is everyone
Scam
is
my
like
I'm
telling
sorry, I
him,
had
yeah,
to.
do the Ouija
I'm not
board.
gonna
Don't
do
do the
that.
fucking Ouija board, my guy. Oh god.
If you donate actual demonic fucking sound, like actual like exorcism sounds and like summoning shit, I'm literally skipping it. I don't fuck with that shit. I'm serious. If it's
Then why are you fucking with the Ouija board?
I'm gonna ban it. I don't want you to. It's $15.
Andy, my guy, my Asian homie
I'm not even getting paid
from
for this.
another
Why am I
Asian
doing
mother.
this?
Please don't play with the Ouija board. Oh wow. He's playing with the fucking Ouija board, this fucker. Why? No. Oh god, his video has become demonic. Awesome.
What do we ask first? What do we ask?
Don't ask anything,
Is
just
there a
stop.
demon here?
Did someone say men holding hands, man in suit, levitating man in suit,
It's good to know.
levitating man in suit, levitating
Oh
man
my
in
god, the
suit,
fucking
levitating
chat
man in
is
suit,
so
levitating man in suit,
bad.
man in suit, levitating
This is
man
no.
in suit,
This is
levitating
no.
man in suit,
Good, there's no
levitating
demon.
man in suit. Nomnes altera ad
So,
manu squam Google
Stop
brand new
donating
world.
us. Stop saying rituals, man.
Ingridum zozo flacus vocata
Is there a demon here?
Bloody Mary, Bloody
I
Mary.
think it's just
Bloody
wiggling
Mary,
around.
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody
I'm
Mary.
not sure if it's saying
Bloody
no
Mary,
because this is
Bloody.
my head. It says no. This is
I
no.
am constantly in fear for my life after using the board.
Stop.
Days started getting shorter.
Just
nights
don't use the
longer.
fucking
Soon I
Ouija
didn't
board.
recognize happiness
Stop.
anymore.
Guys, stop donating. What year were you born?
Andy, you should stop. Oh no. Satan just donated 15 bucks.
This
Awesome.
can't be fucking. What am I? Fingers on it. This can't be. I don't know, dude. It's like, do I know? Do I not know?
Yo, he's breathing hard.
4? I don't want to look so long. It's a 2! 1942. Guys, someone Google it. Where am I? Editor. Google 1942. whatever the fuck that means. What does that mean?
Oh boy.
It's like, it's in my head?
Am I gonna get affected because
1990
I'm watching him playing the Ouija board?
Hey Siri,
Probably not.
summon a
I'm gonna
devil.
say goodbye. I'm saying goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.
Andy, don't fuck with that. You'll regret it. Actual demon summoning by Anton Lavey.
What?
Bola. Samael.
Why would you tell me not to fuck with? Then you donate this shit. Oh, I guess. I'm not gonna fuck with
Donated.
that.
Satan
What does that
donated another
mean?
15. That's in total $30. $40 US.
That sounds demonic, bro.
You sound demonic, Andy.
That's
Holy
fucking
shit.
demonic.
If there are any spirits here, please make yourself known.
Dude, don't fucking donate that kind of TTS to me. I'm not even kidding. Like,
Oh god.
guys, try to.
The donators in chat are so fucking weird, man.
If we can hear them talk, odds are they can hear this ear rape TTS. So let's fucking calm the fuck down, okay?
Yeah,
You
man.
just go to sleep. In the morning, you guys start, TTSing and donating again when I do my boat thing, and let's just have a good night, okay? Let's just chill out.
Yeah. People actually donate this. People actually donate this. People actually donate for people suffering.
I'm probably getting fucking trolled, huh?
You felt
Oh
Oh.
my god.
Why do I wear headphones for
This
this?
is what I have to deal with, bro.
Why do I?
I just saw the eyes of wolf on your blankie move.
Why didn't you put a show on the... I don't have it. I just don't have it. I don't have one. We
Maybe
lost it.
You lost
No, I
it.
haven't used this tent in 2 years. I just got out of the garage and put it together. I don't know there was a tent. I'm sorry. We don't have one.
Oh.
I can't read shit. I thought my glasses. Can't even read. Where's my glasses? Glasses.
It's on your
my
fucking head.
Where's my glasses?
Oh.
My glasses are. Where's my glasses? Shit.
Man, that looks so cold and miserable.
Oh, it's my. The screen's kind of far, so I couldn't really read it. So I thought my glasses. Holy fuck! What a retard, man. Some media?
I hear that.
The fuck is that? Oh my god!
That's what you get for playing a Ouija board, Andy.
It's called Footsteps on Wet Grass. You're gonna fucking haunt me, dude.
Oh my god.
Is that fire? Fuck, bro. I'm in a tent! Are you stupid? Why would he donate knocking in a tent? What the fuck? You're trolling.
People actually donate this shit. Fuck.
You don't know where I am.
Are you
Don't
serious?
even type it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Why would he donate?
People doing anxiety sounds to him.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh.
Who's that guy in the
What
hoodie
the
looking
fuck?
through the tent?
Oh my. I'm so stupid. I don't have my
Holy
glasses
fuck,
on.
Andy, that
I saw that
spider was
flashlight,
huge. I think
and I
it
thought
went
someone was
in
pointing
your
a flashlight in
sleeping
my
bag.
car, in my room, I thought someone
People
put a flashlight in
donate
my fucking tent.
just to make this
I
man
saw the
suffer.
fucking lantern,
I'm
I was like,
questioning
I thought
humanity
someone was
every
pointing
fucking second.
Stay safe out here, boys.
Oh yeah.
I will not get.
I don't want to scare
Yeah,
you,
you
but there's
Andy,
someone
but there
outside
is
with what
someone
looks like a
outside
knife.
with what looks like a knife.
Well, I got a fucking axe. I have an axe.
It's alright.
Is that true? Fuck, man. sure if you guys see through this tent, but the guy's there. There's a cell phone there. He had his cell phone out.
Oh.
Yeah, look, he was standing outside. He had his phone or something in his hand. You see him? You see that figure?
Yeah,
right
yeah,
there?
yeah.
You see? I'm not sure if you saw that figure, but
Just a snippet of our last video.
you saw this. Did you see the little figure? Check this out. I'm smart. Check this out. Check this out.
Yeah. What's up, Andy?
Tesla's car lights with my remote control.
Do it.
And we're gonna see this guy. Let's reveal him. Someone's outside. My headlights are flashlights. Okay. Okay. They're back inside.
Okay, good.
I'm actually a genius. Holy shit, bro.
Dude, that's some magic fucking shit right there.
Put this back.
That's pretty cool.
I hear walking.
Is it like connected to like a
Oh
Bluetooth
wow, this
speaker?
new Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie is amazing. Wow. Wow, it's on Netflix too. Wow. Dude, I hear something in the water. You guys hear like the steps in the water thing? Velma, my bad. Velma. It's a thick bitch. I used to be more of like the other girl kind of guy, the
Daphne
blonde,
chick?
but then as you grow up, you realize a thick bitch is a hot one.
Yeah, Velma's fucking hot,
Shit,
Andy.
Andy, turn the fuck around. Some took a picture a few minutes ago while your eyes were closed.
Post on my Reddit and let me know.
Oh, here we go.
Reddit.com/r Asian Andy. Let's see this shit.
People are still fucking donating the shit out of
What
him.
the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh.
You're trolling.
I need to see this, my guy.
No.
Oh.
You're trolling. That's dude. That's not.
Shining that flashlight on your tent needs to chill.
Shut the fuck up, man. Don't even joke about it. I should have checked.
Oh. I have to
Why did I
check.
check that, man? It's. Oh. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby.
You're a baby. You're a
I
sweet,
can't look
sweet
at
baby.
it. It's literally something looking at me, bro.
Oh, I'll join your.
This is mental torture, bro.
It is mental torture.
Someone's here.
Oh, fuck.
There's literally someone else took a picture from outside. It's so fucking on, man. It's fucking on. This is my house. Now I'll protect myself. You don't fuck with the crazy guy. I told you guys to stay fucking home. Don't fucking come. You thought I was joking, huh? You fucking scumbag. Stay home. Get a life, dude.
Oh,
This is
God.
a face looking at. What the fuck? That looks fucking crazy, bro. Someone's actually outside? Don't tell me that. Go outside? Are you fucking crazy? I don't want to go outside.
You have a hatchet.
Coming back at 5.
Oh.
Bring the exit alive. And what's like? What am I gonna do? Some fuckers here. You gotta get the fuck out of my way, boy.
Oh, he's coming out. He's coming out.
Why the fuck's my window down this entire time? Shit, bro. Oh my god.
Is he inside the car? Okay.
Fuck,
Put him caught outside. Here we go. Here we go. Where is he? Where is he? But he pressed the door. people actually want to donate him dying too. Fuck.
He said he has TTS, bro. I can hear him. Wait, what? Is it? Can they hear the TTS? Oh, 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 oh.
Oh boy.
Oh, oh, oh.
I think he's
Okay,
just
how's it
fishing.
going? Oh, sorry.
From the dancing image, not real image.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, how's your night? You night fishing?
You're not gonna ask him?
He's fishing in the middle of the night, bro.
Yeah. Fishing in the middle of the night? Night fishing, dude. Nothing strange about that.
Guys, but someone was near me. My car is actually a 24-hour surveillance camera.
Oh.
This scares me a lot more than it scares you because I'm here. Someone was near my car and was sitting around my fucking car. One event occurred. Someone walks up to my fucking car, bro. It's not myself, dumbass, because I have my fucking phone. It knows when I'm near it, idiot.
Yeah,
Fuck, dude.
idiots.
I have my actual phone. It knows when I'm near my car.
Yeah,
My
people
car's
don't
a
understand
fucking idiot.
technology.
I was fishing at 1 a.m. in the middle of the dark. It's been dark for like 5 hours, man.
I can imagine.
I'm not checking. I can't check the footage because I'm scared it might be too dark. I don't know.
Yeah, true.
I don't know. I'm not checking the fucking footage. I don't have the USB and I can't check the footage actually.
Oh,
I'm the fucking retard.
yeah.
Behind
Kinda.
you in the window.
Stop!
from
Do
using
not
soft
fucking start. Do not fucking start with this shit. You wanna fuck with the champ? You wanna fuck with the Patriot? Riri? Oh, bitch. You don't try to scare me in the middle of the night. You fucking pussy.
Oh,
Where the fuck is this guy?
oh dear.
Huh? Empty fucking parking lot. What the shit? It's a rat. You see that rat? Fuck, bro. This is disgusting. Why am I here? Who the fuck goes camping, man? Stay indoors.
Yeah,
Stay
true.
indoors, guys. What the fuck?
Huh?
It's an
What?
upside down cross.
Oh.
Going home. I'm out of here. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, someone's gonna set fucking bullshit around my house.
Get him, boy.
I don't fuck with
30
spiritual shit. If
bucks!
it's a man, that's different. But if it's a cross, that comes from God. Hell, I'm not fucking that shit. Huh?
He's watching you.
What the fuck? Did you whisper? What? What? Is Megan right there? What? Hello? It's just what? What? I'm just sleeping, man.
All right. Is Megan right here or no?
No, it's just me.
All right.
Huh.
All right, then.
Oh.
The other one.
What the fuck? Man, I'm zooming in his face so hard right now.
Sorry.
Did you shoot yourself, Andy?
I gotta go, guys. I'm serious. The other threats seemed paranormal. It looks like it was a troll. But this is very real.
Bro, that's because you played it with a fucking Ouija board, Andy. You played it with a Ouija board. You're stupid.
If it's a stream sub, he wouldn't be biking.
I'm kidding. I love you, Andy, but you played it with a Ouija board. You should stop. Oh my god, stupid.
I must go, I think. Let's do this the smart way. Fuck, is my car getting stuck?
Uh-oh.
Fuck, I'm literally throttling it, bro. Shit.
Just don't mess up, yeah. If you press too much, it's gonna start.
Oh no.
That's complete like traction. Alright.
Yeah, we should be okay. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, thank fucking God! Thanks you guys for sticking it out. My God!
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit! Thanks to everyone about the merch. If you want to be on next video, go ahead and tag or DM me at AjohnnyFilms on Twitter and Instagram.
Oh man, that's hella sick. Holy shit, though. You played with your Ouija board, Andy. Why did you do that? Of course that shit's gonna happen. Oh man, what's Asian Andy, my dudes? Holy fuck. It was pretty funny and pretty hilarious, but damn, the chat and the donors are pretty fucking weird. Anyways, guys, please go subscribe to Asian Andy. I'll leave the original video down in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.